Welcome to my review of Insight Timer, a widely used meditation and mindfulness platform known for its comprehensive collection of resources to support mental well-being and relaxation. As someone who has spent time exploring the platform, I want to share an honest and detailed overview to help you decide if it's the right choice for your mindfulness journey. Insight Timer's homepage immediately introduces you to a calming interface with a focus on accessibility and ease of use. Upon creating an account, users gain access to an extensive library of guided meditations covering themes like stress relief, sleep improvement, and self-discovery. One of the standout features is its free-to-use model, which provides impressive functionality at no cost. You can search by duration, teacher, or focus area, making it highly customizable for your needs. Navigating the app or website, you'll notice the vibrant community of users and instructors. Live events are a unique feature, allowing real-time interaction with meditation experts. This adds a personal touch and creates a sense of community, which is vital for consistent mindfulness practice. For those looking to deepen their knowledge, Insight Timer offers courses taught by industry professionals. While some courses are free, others require a premium subscription, which also unlocks offline access and additional features like playlists. The platform is known for its inclusivity, catering to beginners and advanced practitioners alike. From 5-minute breathwork sessions to hour-long mindfulness retreats, there's something for everyone. The app also features a progress tracker, which can motivate consistent practice and help build a habit over time. However, Insight Timer isn't without its flaws. Some users report occasional glitches, particularly with live sessions, and the free content can feel overwhelming due to its sheer volume. The premium subscription is reasonably priced, but not everyone may find it necessary, depending on their needs. The community aspect is another major highlight. User reviews and comments on meditations provide insights and foster a sense of shared experience. The timer function is particularly helpful for self-led meditation, allowing you to set intervals and ambient sounds for a customized practice. Overall, Insight Timer offers a rich and engaging experience for those seeking mindfulness and relaxation tools. Whether you're exploring meditation for the first time or you're a seasoned practitioner, the platform's vast offerings and user-friendly design make it a valuable resource. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.